Guys, good morning! So, dumating na yung order natin.
Perfect.
So, we'll try this one. Ang ganda guys ng pagkabalot niya. Mayroon pa siyang fragile handle with care na sticker. So, we will unbox. Ano ba ito? Dubli yung box. Ito. So, dito natin siya dito natin siya dito natin siya i-cut. Yeah. So this one guys is a Eucalyptus and Peppermint. So it's a water-based oil. Kasi yung oil na 100 ml dito, pambilhin mo dito sa mga malls. Magkano ba? $4.99. While ito, it's $269 only. Plus the shipping fee. So we purchased this for $314. Ayan o.
Hindi nito. Kaya mo lang na ulit ako.
Oh. Yan. So, ito siya. So, we'll try this one kaagad. Okay. Yan. So, mayroon ba siyang thank you card? Yan. So, let's grow together. Upload a photo or a story on Instagram of our soap with the hashtag #myECOExperience. We will feature your story in our IG to spread the brand so we can have more kids to help in our outreach as our enterprise grows. Let's make a world a better place through our soaps. ECO Love Philippines, ecolove.com. With best regards, ECO Lab PH team. So yan, naka-bubble wrap. The box, no? Yan. At meron siyang receipt. Official receipt. Yan. So, set aside lang muna natin. Ito yung bubble wrap niya. Yan. Yan. So, yan yung eucalyptus. Okay? So, we will take a picture and we will be back. So, keep watching. So, ito na guys. So, si Katelyn ang nagbe-video sa akin. So, this is our humidifier. Yan. So, we will put some drops. Okay. Marami na. May asenti guys. Eucalyptus talaga. Ano siya ng may mint. Okay. So ito yung old natin. Ito yung aromatics water-based oil. Yan. Rainforest siya, 100 ml din. Almost the same naman, no? So ito yung Brooks collection na share ko lang yung link mamaya. Eucalyptus and Peppermint. And can you put some water, please? Stop mo. Sige naman. So ayan si Katelyn, no? Yan. So dito nilalagay yan. Dito natin nilalagay yung Sige. Ay. Okay, so we will now turn this on and we will smell.
Wow. Wow.
Yan na.
Oh. Wow. Oh, nice.
Wow.
What? Ang bubble mo. Wow.
Wow.
Tap, tap.
Magsin ko pala sa
Wow.
You know? So how does it smell? You like the smell?
It's like
Huh?
it's like
You like the smell?
Yes.
Okay, so thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you like the unboxing. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Ano to, oh?
No. There's more now.
Eucalyptus and peppermint. Yun na.